Te jungman bo apearson TTV monitoris speaking toos from inside Singapores notorious Kangiail. His Sportinga Prison Regulation Shavit Hayakut Antavite T-Shirt Bearing his Mate Number L218.032.018 Antname Yiming Yun. Normally, the mail would not travel halfway around the world to conduct an interview via special video link, wird Such an Individual. But his story is uniquely compelling and not without mitigating factors. 29. Was born and raised in London, were his parents still alive? He must also be the first former pupil of von 37,000 Westminster School to find himself located in top security Kangi. He has been ordered to serve 20 years after being convicted of supplying cannabis and methamphetamines, crystal methods, to his friends. Yet, this is not viewed at the center of a diplomatic row between the United Kingdom and Singapore, which traditionally have close ties, or we have agreed to speak to us. Any day, as part of his sentence, he will be escorted from his cell, taken to a punishment room in the jail, stripped naked and strapped to a wooden trestle. Two officers will then target intends to inflict maximum pain with a 4 long rattan canne, about half an inch in diameter, beflogging him 24 times across his bare buttocks, after also the shed out to murderers and rapists. Stroke is carried out BT Wada. Ohne ... 2.3. After 3 strokes it is not uncommon for the prisoner to pass out. Yuan will receive a little warning of the canning, so he lives in a state of permanent anxiety. He has been prescribed sleeping pills and drugs to stabilize his mood. Hofkurse, Inspirit, he says hesitantly. Keep heard so many horror stories from fellow inmates who have been canned, who've scars left on them, who've canes breaking during the punishment and having to be replaced and who, after every 5 strokes, the cane is replaced to ensure strokes of the same intensity. I am preparing for it as best I can. I think about doing breathing exercises between each stroke to help me deal with the pain. Just pray don't find halfway drug because I'll have to return to finish my punishment later. Big notice keen normalities after 3 strokes and that it will be very painful. His pliegt, revealed by his newspaper a week ago, prompted for Secretary Jeremy Hunt and his officials to make it clear that Britain strongly opposes the use of corporal punishment. In Britain, you could have expected to receive a 12-month sentence at most. He was a first time offender and the quantity of drugs etwas relatively small. He was also using drugs himself and might have escaped jail altogether in this country if he had been prosecuted for the lesser offense of possession rather than supply, as is increasingly happening. Boots of Justice Britannia's integre prova violent, and often drug-related, crime which is climbing young lives on an almost daily basis, via Singapore, with its unflinching, uncompromising approach to law enforcement, wie one of the safest places in the world. The treatment mit auto individuals like Yemengyun, barbaric be Western Standards, wie man in Singaporeans Fähigkeit kann stolte Streets antrede te subwe in Komfort and Safetiat mitnickt. On a human level, took Fefozidete former Krovenkolonie in Südostasien, wish to inflict so Retribution on him, on Anjone, whatever the circumstances. The perverse twist is that it was the colonial British who introduced canning to Singapore in the first place. This is the first time Yun has spoken publicly about his father. He is allowed to visits from his family and friends per month, a 20-minute face-to-face meeting in prison, via telephone through a glass screen. He is not allowed to touch or hook visitors, and a 30-minute televisit lectures. Yun, who has been in Changi since February last year, sleeps on a bamboo mat on the concrete floor of the cell he shares with three other inmates and where he is confined for 22 hours most days. There is no window. He is woken at 6 am and beds down at 9:30 pm. He is allowed, twice a week, an additional hour, outside his cell to attend Bible classes. A small selection of books, most recently Game of Thrones, and board games are available to him. Breakfast is with bread and jam, lunch usually rice and curry, with super variation of lunch, with meat, fish and 2 pieces of fruit, plus the occasional sweet treat. Changi holds some of the most dangerous criminals in Singapore, an Island city state, including their drug prisoners. Yun originally faced the death penalty, hanging is the method of execution, but the capital charge was dropped because the amount of the drugs involved was below 500 g. But Yun says he feels safe. The old Changi Jail was demolished and replaced with a high-tech mega-prison complex in 2004. Behavior is monitored by a computer system that detects high intensity and erratic movements, such as affect. Many British servicemen were held in Changi BT Japanese in World War II Priotobein not in couple drugs to work und Teilbombardier Railway, the Subjekt of the 1957 Film The Bridge und The River Kwai. tuk Konditionshafe improvit, Tename Kangerema in Synonymus mit Brutalität. Edwin Januari and Oktober 2016, Telatest Figures available show kurz in Singapore hunted down cunning sentences to 1,257 Criminals, Opwich 987 wäre carried out in Tat-Team. Mani wäre performet Kangi, wäre Staff, often skillet in Martial Arts, praktise Aton Dummies an Sandbags. Jon Madrid Quer was seeking Justice, not sympathy, anti-spreading tote President of Singapore to plead for clemency. Look, if a donor wrong and deserve to be punished, he admitted. But me sentence is excessive. We don't want to be here for 20 years. As kid what he took would be fair, he replied candidly. Ideas and fever strokes of Tekane. Apostrophe pointed out Tatachiltra bis somit Teams Kids 18 Strokes an dem Getting 24. Apostroph bevor Bindi Tani Patkangi, Yonen Yoed almost Rockstar Status as a Club Diot in Singapore. He was known as the Yachting. Best yacht in Singapore, according to a leading magazine in Island. Jons Profile Picture on Facebook shows him with a carefully gelid quick, antote Photographs on social media, Taten und Planes and in hotels in Europa and zu Tastasia, offer a glimpse into his seeming jet-set Festhülle. Vitas Arjonivich begann in Südwest London, where Jon lived with his family. He has two sisters. His father, Alex Jon, is a businessman who, after arriving in the United Kingdom from Singapore where he grew up more than 50 years ago, did well enough to send his son to Dulwich Prep School in Westminster, where he excelled. Jon gained health success, 4 Sternes, 6 as, Antone Beat was also at Westminster, however, tat he got in vertebral growth, his father's words. In 2007, wie Thema gibt hat Jon was wanted bis Scotland Yard over an alleged forget driving license IDs kam, soll to pupils a tota Topfe buying Schulz so kult wie Alkohol an Zigarettes. Jon, ten aged 17, ran away to Singapore where his mother comes from, and began working for his uncle, wo of Neta Club. Bhutan newspaper eventually managed to track him down. He was making about £1,000 a week, but he was just buying the little money, he was quoted as saying at the time. We spent loads of it on computer stuff and the rest taking my friends out. During our interview yesterday, Jon said he actually began dabbling in drugs when he was at Westminster. First cannabis, then cocaine. To give him confidence ironically, he said, one of the reasons for going to Singapore was because he took it would be more difficult to buy drugs. Butes Pite Island Staates strikt Drugslavs, its vibrantnik Briefe, in wich hevaket asa resident DJ at Manitop Clubs, Hobben, Zug, and most recently, Canvas, introducet into asili available recreational substances. Hevas spending apud 150 Frontonice, Methamphetamines, bevor hevent to prison. He seit his Druckaddiction madehin forget importance and love of his family. Ne Vater has just turned 70, he seit. We have not seen him for 5 years. He wonder very will see him again. Amerion, wo has been refused a visa to visit Singapore, believes his son was the victim of a miscarriage of justice. Mi son is a criminal, he seit. He knustat. He knus he has to serve time. But so is his sentence, which is excessive. The people he was selling drugs to, 6 or 7 friends, were expats and rich Singaporeans who work in the media and advertising, and are the people who introduced me to the drugs, drinking and gambling in Singapore. He also cooperated with the police by giving him the name of his supplier, which put him at risk of reprisals. Note for will sympathize, but wouldn't any loving father spare code for his son. Amerion is also helping him launch a fresh appeal. We am encouraged tatime hund, te foreigen secretary, got involved, unite. The British government and the British High Commission here have been very supportive. They sent me cards and presents at Christmas. Public opinion in Singapore has not been on his side. On a Facebook group called Singapore Matters, there was a strong defense of the punishment handed out to Yun. Don't do drugs and you'll be fine, declaritone contributor. Anota posted. Fantastic. Example of Singapore success at handling drug-related offenders. Think tweets before doing as **y business. This is marginally clear to anyone visiting Singapore. Stampeton T Migration Cuts, in red capital letters, with size. Warning. Seat for drug traffickers und der Singapore Love. Don Litre Monsago, a Malaysian drug trafficker was hanget in Kangi prison, and hundreds more have been canned. Grafik a conspicuose who have experienced the ordeal appear in an Amnesty International report. He was shivering and perspiring with fear, recalcitrant prisoner. His creamate and struggled like a mad animal. Tit Benton, ohne Stroke, ohne Minute, so lasches Felon te same Spot, splitting open te skineven more. Wie fällt die Entwendung te Trust te Laststroke? Teris also testimoni froma viping fisevo, atone time, was meeting out 100 strokes a week. T-Power behint an ordinary viping comes from T-Brist, Arm, Schulter anzwing, Hebrote. You have to do it with a lot of power, T harder T better. Human Rights Groups seit Praktize violates international love and breaches die Unität Nationskonvention against Torture. Jun says he is holding up well but he's not happy follow free saving clemency. Veni am avake at nicht he think about me future, he revealed. Me 30 es will have gone anti my be told to have children veni come out. He canning is scary anti don't want it. But they must concernet aput length of me sentence. You can't get time back.